Winter is coming, and that means it's time to get your car ready to face the harsh months ahead. Snow, salt, grime, freezing temperatures, you name it. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. In this video, I'm going to share 15 essential tips to help you prep your car for winter, keeping it clean, protected, and running smoothly all season long. From protecting your paint and glass to preparing your tires and even your interior, I've got you covered with everything you need to make winter car care easy. And don't worry, I'll leave the links to all the tools, products, and the equipment that we discuss in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Oh, and by the way, if you have different tips and tricks to prep your car for winter months that you want to share with my viewers, go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section. Let's jump right into it with tip number 1. First, apply a ceramic spray sealant on the paint and wheels. This adds a layer of protection that makes dirt, salt, and winter grime much easier to wash off. Ceramic spray sealants can last for several months, so one application before winter is usually enough to get you through the season. I highly recommend the Clean by Pan the Organizer ceramic spray sealant, which is simple to apply, provides months of protection, boosts the gloss and slickness, has great resistance to chemicals, and can be applied on unprotected paint or paint that has a ceramic coating, a wax, or a paint sealant. Tip number 2. Protect your glass surfaces. Applying a glass sealant on your glass or a glass coating on your windows, while it won't completely prevent ice buildup, it makes ice much easier to remove and keeps rain, sleet, and snow from sticking to the glass. The hydrophobic layer also improves visibility when driving in bad weather. Tip number 3, use a fabric protectant on your carpets and upholstery. It creates a barrier that helps resist salt stains, mud, and melted snow, making cleanup a lot easier during and after winter. Tip number 4, don't forget rust proofing. Road salt is one of your car's biggest enemies. Rust proofing treatments can be oil-based, grease-based, or wax-based. Talk with your local rust proofing expert to find out which one suits your conditions and your budget. Tip number 5, inspect your wiper blades. Replace them if they're streaking or cracked. You want maximum visibility when driving through snow and slush. Tip number 6, install proper all-weather floor mats like WeatherTech mats. They're made from a durable, high-density material and are perfectly molded to your car's interior. The raised edges trap dirt, slush, and liquids, protecting your carpets all winter long. Tip number 7, apply a rubber seal protectant or silicone spray on all door and trunk seals. This keeps the rubber soft and flexible, prevents it from cracking, and stops doors from freezing shut in the cold. I recommend the 303 rubber seal protectant. It works great for this purpose. When removing snow, avoid scratching your paint. So that's tip number 8. Attach a microfiber towel to your snow brush or simply use a leaf blower to blow the snow off the surface. It's a safer and faster way to clean the vehicle without causing any scratches or swirl marks. Tip number 9, for icy windows, use a de-icer like Geon Defrost. Just spray it on, let it work for a few seconds, and the ice will melt away. No need to scrape and risk scratching your glass. Tip number 10, let's talk about the tire pressure. When temperatures drop, so does tire pressure. Check your tires regularly and inflate them to the recommended pressure listed on the driver's side door jamb. Proper tire pressure helps with grip, handling, and even fuel efficiency. Tip number 11, try to keep your gas tank at least half full while driving in the winter months. This reduces condensation that could freeze in your fuel lines and prevents corrosion in the fuel system. It also ensures you're never stranded with too little fuel left in case of an emergency. Tip number 12, make sure your windshield washer fluid is topped off with a winter formula that won't freeze. It's essential for keeping your windshield clean from slush, salt, and grime while driving. Tip number 13, check your battery health. Cold weather puts extra stress on your battery, and weak ones can easily die in freezing temperatures. Have it tested to make sure it's in good condition, especially if it's more than 3 years old. Tip number 14, inspect your coolant level as well. Make sure it's topped off and that the mixture is correct to prevent freezing and overheating. Coolant also helps protect the engine from internal corrosion. Tip number 15, always keep an emergency roadside kit in your car. It should include jumper cables, a first aid kit, a flashlight, a multi-tool, reflective triangles or flares, blankets, water, and non-perishable snacks. You'll be glad to have it if you ever get stuck in bad weather. So there you have it, guys. 15 easy tips to properly prepare your car for winter. Follow these steps and your vehicle will stay cleaner, safer, and better protected through the cold months. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more car detailing maintenance tips. Also, if you have other tips and tricks for winter prep to share, drop them in the comment section under the video. Share that with the audience, and it's always good to have this community thing going, and I love to read your comments. And also, I remind you that all the links to the tools, products, and equipment will be in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So thanks for being there, thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.